I'm John Bouman. I'm the President and Advocacy Director at the Sargent Shriver National Center on Poverty Law. I've been here since 1996. I was at LAF for 21 years before that, so I began in 1975 working in legal services in Chicago. My own specialties in recent years have been mostly around healthcare and unemployment insurance. Right now, I'm working very hard on a statewide coalition to address the tax shortfalls in Illinois. If we don't get significant new revenues in Illinois and redesign the revenue system so it grows better when the economy grows, if we don't do that, all bets are off.
Anyone who's involved in the progressive community knows John, and he's worn so many different hats and been involved in so many different endeavors. His sort of understanding of the issues, his intelligence, and his strategic advice is always outstanding. November will be 20 years that we've been working together. I think a lot of people who know him and know me think, well, you must have the best job in town getting to work with John, and I think that's probably true.
If you're in this work long enough and enjoy it, there's a ton of favorite stories. There's one that I liked a lot involving disability benefits for widows. My client, she'd had a very tough time in life, and she was married to this brute of a guy who finally did something decent, which was that he died. If she could show that she was disabled, which she clearly was, she would be able to get Social Security benefits based on his earnings record. We managed to get through an amendment that eliminated the tougher widow standard. Eventually, she got something like $40,000, and a big class of maybe 20,000 widows in Illinois got similar retroactive benefit awards. And I have a favorite image there of all over this state, people in rocking chairs waiting for the mail to come, and then this check shows up literally out of nowhere. It's a very nice moment.
He's got a great sense of humor. He doesn't take himself seriously in any way. He's a great listener. We all have times when we especially need support, and he is always there. What you see is what you get. So I think most people have a pretty good sense of who John is, and that's why he's got this great respect and admiration.
I come from a family there's a lot of clergy and teachers. So I didn't have any role models who ever talked to me about how to make money. From day one, it was about some sort of service occupation. We're not going to have perfect justice. We're not going to end poverty. There will always be people on the bottom end. What keeps you from burning out is that we have victories. We win. We make progress. You can look back and see a footprint. You can make a difference, and it can be done in a way that you can feel good about it.